One of our favorite things about having an adventure channel is getting to highlight small businesses we love, no matter what city we find ourselves in. Aeffect Hair in Winter Park is a hidden little oasis in the heart of downtown. We especially love highlighting hidden gems that have a focus on sustainability. Aeffect Hair recycles everything possible, from hair dye to foils to actual hair. They are focused on creating as little waste as possible, and I love that. I also love how many cool plants are in this building, even though they're underground. How amazing is that? And Liz was amazing. She asked me exactly what I wanted done to my hair, and the whole experience was so fun. I think visiting a salon is a really cool thing to do no matter where you are. Liz was able to tell me stories about her life in Portland and also the adjustment it was coming back here to Winter Park, Florida. It's really, really cool to hear people's stories, and I loved hearing Liz's. I explained to Liz that we travel and we camp a lot, and I needed a style that was low maintenance and something that I could go days without washing. We are outdoors all the time getting sweaty, and so I needed something just a little easier to deal with. So she understood the assignment and she thinned it out, and honestly, I love the results. Love, love, love. I feel so much lighter.
Separate the water out of it so it can safely be put back into the water system, and they dispose of the nasty stuff, plastic and stuff.
Wow.
That get recycled.
Oh, I love this.
It gets turned into netting that can soak up oil from the ocean.
I visit a lot of small businesses in our travels, but this was probably one of my favorites to date. I enjoyed the entire experience, and guess what? Liz and I made plans to go hiking because I like to bring a little adventure wherever I go. This was such a fun day. Highly recommend these guys.